AI is very, very good at certain things and terrible at other things. There are huge opportunities yet to use it well and to use it badly. I'm going to start with this point of view. There are certain things that we can do online, in public, socially, on social media, in streams, that trigger big engagement, and other things that just get you crickets. I'm sure you've noticed. I made the case that you should remove dates from your blog post because it just makes your content look older faster. Why not have like an evergreen content strategy or... Okay, I make this page, I take these mini little stands, right? Take a strong point of view, and then I make a video about it, and then what happens? I post the video on YouTube, and I get 700 or 800 cranky comments. All these people are really triggered by these topics. I don't feel that strongly about it, but I find it very interesting just what tends to trigger engagement. Strong opinion. And that, by the way, is the definition of thought leadership. Take a look at Seth Godin. This is a quote from him. I actually met him once and asked him this, and this is what he said. Thought leadership always creates tension. It's about making assertions. You have to be willing to be wrong, and you can be certain that some people will disagree. Back to the topic of AI. AI doesn't really have a point of view. AI doesn't really have an opinion. All kinds of interesting prompts might work well for this. What are some questions that people in our industry are afraid to answer? It will tell you. What things do people in this industry believe to be true? It will tell you. What are the most common assertions that are the least likely to be supported by evidence? Go create a research report on that. It just told you what the missing statistic is on the internet. What are the most important topics that are the least likely to be covered by the popular blogs? That is gap analysis on the total body of work of an entire vertical. Gold. A human couldn't even do that, right? You can't go read everything on every topic. The problem is not that AI is doing what marketers can do. The problem is that marketers keep doing what can be done by an AI. Very important. Do things that AI cannot do.